Today we are going to see how to record Mac screen in easiest process. To record screen you just need to press Shift Command 5 at the same time. The screen record mode will appear. Select this if you want to record selected portion or this one for entire screen. Now from the option make sure the floating thumbnail is checked. Use time to record interval time when clicked. Here none means it record immediately when you click record and 5 seconds for it holds for 5 seconds then record will start. You can also select your desired location where screenshot will saved. Click record to start record and click this one from the menu bar to stop record and check floating thumbnail to view or trim your record. Finally record done. That's all. Thanks for watching. If this video has helped you, please like and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thank you.